So here I'm discuss very important topic, how to schedule post on Facebook and Twitter. If anything schedule post by Facebook, automatic post by Twitter also. That will be first login your Facebook, second login will be Twitter. How to connect Facebook schedule, how to will implement by the Twitter. So when scheduled by Facebook, automatically post by Facebook and Twitter. There will be two applicants. Schedule will be possible by only for Facebook page. Regular posts accept by the Facebook profile to Twitter also. But any connectivity for scheduled post purpose, Facebook page to Twitter. So the connectivity will be facebook.com/Twitter, facebook.com/Twitter. Once connect this option, automatically connect by your Facebook to Twitter option. See this one is your Facebook profile connecting for Twitter. This is so what are the option will be there? You automatically connect by your options. Here is that. So I can select my page that is called so this is connected with where? This is a Rakesh page. Suppose I am doing for unlink. I'm doing for unlink. So we can once again connect the person. I'm clicking for unlink here. Next after that. We're showing for here link to Twitter. Link to Twitter means what are the posting done by your Facebook page, automatically done by your Twitter wall. So I can copy here. Is it clear? This will be done now. First I go to my website. See carefully. I'm not touching for Twitter account. Yes. How much tweets will be there? 3335. 3,335 tweets will be there. So I go to your in this go for blogs. Any integration Facebook to Twitter, that is called Facebook to Twitter, only accept by the links, not for the photos, not for the videos. Why? Because they're showing for proper image for particular post option. In this, select copy. When open this page, in below will showing option called is Facebook sharing. Which one? Facebook sharing. Just open page here, wait for a second. So scroll down. Select your Facebook. Is related to your plugin base. That is called Facebook option. That is called share on your Facebook. So once share time, the showing for image is mandatory. Image will be not showing here. Once again, close it. Click for Facebook once again. They load your totally page along with the image. When image not displayed, close once again. Click for once again Facebook sharing. So add your content. Video, tutorial, SEO. Select your page. The page name will be called Digital Rakesh. Now click for post to Facebook. So I'm doing for only for Facebook. So where they reflect for the Twitter also. Just done. Go for Twitter. Tweets. So 333 will be there. Just wait for refresh. See this one. Posting now. What is called? Learn SEO on page technique training video tutorial 2019. When you click this link, they're going to where? On your website. This is called automated sharing for Facebook to Twitter. So my question is called how to schedule posts on the Facebook to Twitter. Simple one. Select for facebook.com/ your page name. Each page you can schedule posts up to 6 months. Each Facebook page can schedule posts up to 6 months. We have two type of schedule posts. One is called backdate. Second will be schedule post. One is the backdate. Second will be schedule post. Schedule post will be up to 6 months. Backdate will be post up to your Facebook page creation. Suppose Instagram page was created. Can I post up to 1 year? We can't. When Facebook page created, suppose your Facebook page created by 2016. The backdate applicable by 2016 by date, that's a month. Suppose in this profile, I can schedule my post. First of all, video tutorial. Select URL. Copy. Paste. Done. Next. What option call is the more options. No, I'm using not in a more option. What is called? Share now. What is called? Schedule post. So schedule post, how many months accepted? Up to 6 months. You can check the month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Up to you can go for 8th date of your month. So this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. So how many months we can post for? Up to 6 months. Select your date. Each post minimum time required for 10 minutes. So what is my time? 6:43. Can I post 6:44? Accepted. Schedule post need be shared by between 10 minutes of time. So here 54 selecting is not accepted. 55 is accepted. Why? Because my time will be 6:44. You can schedule post by 6:55. So 10 minutes will be there. You can post your schedule. Click for schedule. Is done. This is called schedule. Next, what is called backdate. Backdate accept when Facebook is created by 2013, the month of July, and month will be 22 second of date. So this page will be created by the July 22nd, 2013. So today what is the date? 12/3. Go to 19 March. Again post for date for which one? 11th. Backdate schedule post. So when I'm posting for post today, but date is yesterday. This post done by today. The date will showing for yesterday dates. So your schedule post by two types. One is called post schedule, pre-schedule means backdate schedule and post schedule. Post schedule up to 6 months. Backdate schedule up to your page creation. Please note on this notice. So when done my posting on your Facebook yesterday, so automatically run by your Twitter also. Just refresh. How to get traffic? Your website from Google. We are showing for yesterday. We are showing for 4 minutes back. So the backdate applicable by the Facebook, not applicable by the Twitter. The post will be applicable, but the showing for past date, exact date. But back date and schedule date will applicable by only for Facebook. The back date applicable by Facebook, schedule date applicable by the Facebook and Twitter also. The back date not applicable by the Facebook to Twitter. Please note down.